Wayne White here. We're in Wayne's breakfast kitchen. I'm going to do another breakfast for you. I'm going to show you how to do a really quick scrambled egg breakfast using the microwave. So to do scrambled eggs, you need eggs. So I've got 2 brown eggs, and I'm going to break them. Oh, I did it. I did that pretty good. Now, all right, that looks good. Get a paper towel here. Okay, here we got 2 nice eggs, and I'm going to keep them moist at all times. I'm going to add a little bit of milk there, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to put the salt in my hand first because I don't want to overdo it. There, got the salt in there. Then I'm going to have cheddar cheese, but we don't use it in the beginning. We do that in the late stages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to beat these eggs up the old-fashioned way. Now, depending on the size of your egg and probably the kind of microwave you have, some microwaves are hotter than others. But my microwave, I'm going to put the eggs in my microwave, and I'm going to go 30 seconds. And then I'll take the eggs out, beat them up again, and put them in for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds, I pull the eggs out, and they're just starting to congeal. Beat them up again. Then we're going to put them in for another 30 seconds. If they're still too soft after this 30 seconds, I might go 35 seconds on the last one, I don't know. Come up. Okay, I think I'm going to add cheddar cheese now. Cheddar cheese. It's been shredded, and it says reduced fat, whatever that means. So I open the bag, grab a handful of cheddar cheese, and spread it on the eggs, like that. And we're going to go 30 more seconds. Yeah. And if you like them soft, this might be just right for you. I'm going to mix these up, and my breakfast customer will like them like this. It's because they're a little on the soft side, and the cheese is nicely melted. Yeah, they look so good. So the good thing about scrambling eggs, and you do it in a bowl, like small bowl like this. You can eat them right out of the bowl. You don't have to dirty a plate. Just right. Okay.